Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here to share my finished project for a group I'm in on Facebook. It's on, oh actually it's on Messenger, but we do these Christmas gift giving every year. And my partner this year was Justine Stone. And I made this banner for her, and I'm just going to go real quickly. It says happy and then place. And if you know Justine, she loves hummingbirds, and each letter has a picture of a hummingbird. And I thought this would be perfect for her. I made her a charm here that has her name. It says Justine's Happy Place. And if you've, watch her videos, you know that that's what she says in the beginning of her video. So each banner is a canvas banner, and I laid this lace over it, and that's what I started it out. I backed it with some cream cardstock to give it stability because it was very flimsy. I added eyelets to the corners. I added this beautiful trim to dangle. And I added a charm here. I think there's another one here that has blue and pink. She loves shabby, so I tried my best at shabbiness. Hopefully I did it well. These are old chipboard letters that I had in my stash. I painted in her favorite color, blue. I added some diamond dust and some glitter to it. This is a ribbon buckle with a pearl in the center, and I added it to each banner. Here is my flower that I made in a tutorial, I think it was my last video, with these pink stamens from BB Crafts. And each one has a hummingbird picture I backed with some blue cardstock and added some white crochet trim to it. I stringed the banner up with some pink seam binding from my stash. Here are some bows that I made with my 2-finger bow technique. And that's it, and it's all the same. Has pretty much the same thing. Oh, this is a memento die that I cut out of pink cardstock. Did I miss anything? I always seem to miss something. So yeah, this is my banner for Justine. It's her handmade Christmas gift I made for her this year. Pull it up here, sorry. I really like it. It came out exactly how I wanted it, and I hope Justine likes it as well. So I have to hurry up and get this banner in the mail for her. We're going to be opening gifts on the 15th or 16th of December. I can't remember when. But anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.